This is Tajammul Adil. Hohem launched iSteady XE, the 3-axis handheld pocket gimbal with a kit, which is the lightest gimbal ever I used. With the Hohem iSteady XE gimbal, beginners can easily capture their footage. It is the lightest 3-axis smartphone gimbal available for creators, weighing only 249 grams. It can be folded to fit into a pocket. You can easily carry it along for vlogging and content creation since it's fit in your pocket. This gimbal ensures that your videos are smooth and stable despite shaky hands, giving your content a whole new level of quality. The iSteady XE is an upgraded version of the 2020 edition of iSteady X, and XE features a new stabilization algorithm and an improved motor, providing 3x more anti-shaking performance than the previous version. Make smooth videos with your smartphone, taking your smartphone shooting to the next level. The Hohem iSteady XE kit costs $89 and the Hohem iSteady X costs $79. Here is the unboxing of XE kit. I have used some handheld gimbals recently, but I love that the Hohem XE folds into a very portable design. It weighs only 249 grams and it is very easy to use and carry. The first step is to unfold the iSteady X, then tighten the knob and keep the smartphone centrally clamped. As soon as you turn it on, it starts working. Install the Hohem Joy App by following the links in the video description. The app should be open and paired with the smartphone. You can use Joy App to convert your videos into professional quality content with precision and accuracy. There is a zoom slider button on the side and a charging USB Type-C port on the other side. While zooming with the zoom button on the side of the handle wasn't as smooth as it could have been, iSteady XE zoom features work well. Along with the zoom mode, we have a focus mode where we can change the focus on the video with the zoom slider. Press the function button at the bottom of the joystick once to switch to vertical mode and press it again to switch the horizontal mode. Using the gimbal, you can smooth out pans left to right and up and down. It is possible to adjust the angle to which the gimbal holds your phone and the speed at that the motor moves by using the joystick control on the gimbal. A video camera like this would be perfect for capturing events and videos. The video recording is started by pressing the shutter button on the bottom of the joystick and stopped by pressing the shutter button again. Changing from video mode to photo mode requires 2 presses of the shutter button. Switching from photo mode to video mode requires 2 presses of the shutter button. To change the camera mode to selfie mode, press the shutter button 3 times and 3 times again to change the camera mode to selfie mode. This is the way you can manually enable the inception mode by pressing the function button 3 times. You can make great moments with the Hohem Joy App, which is specially designed for Hohem handheld stabilizing gimbals. The Hohem Joy App allows me to achieve cool camera tricks with the Inception mode tutorial video, the Facing the Sea tutorial video, travel mode, clone myself, and do a dolly zoom for extra dramatic effect. No video editing is needed with the cinematic template effects. Hohem iSteady XE comes with a kit that includes a magnetic fill light that has a 10 level of brightness and 3 color options. Hohem XE gimbals and any metal surface can be installed with a fill light to facilitate shooting with different lighting options. By pressing the M button, the fill light will turn on and there will be plus and minus buttons for increasing and decreasing its volume. As I explained, you can easily switch from horizontal to vertical mode by clicking the function button, and now I will explain you how you can switch between different gimbal modes. Pan follow mode is its default mode, which allows the gimbal to pan sideways but not tilt up and down. In order to keep the horizon level, the gimbal will attempt to keep it flat. Another option is tilt follow mode, which allows the gimbal to tilt up and down as well as bend side to side. It provides freedom of movement for both the camera and the gimbal, allows them to face upwards and downwards, left or right. There is also a lock mode option that prevents the gimbal from moving from side to side or tilting up and down as a result of its limited movements. This mode is more often used in very specific circumstances and it isn't ideal for general photography. The FPV mode enables a gimbal to pan from side to side, tilt up and down, and rotate or roll to keep the camera stable when rotating side to side. Move your whole body with the gimbal. For a natural feeling point of view footage, FPV mode is ideal. Even when carrying a larger smartphone, the iSteady XE motor torque has been improved by 30%. The app includes a variety of shooting templates that can help you to create a blockbuster with little efforts. This is one of the lightest gimbal stabilizer for the beginners you can buy at a reasonable price, and it offers a very decent battery life. Hohem iSteady XE buying price is $89 and you can find the buying links in the video description. If you are interested in docking station, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.